Hi, welcome to TON News, your quick dive into the biggest updates from the open network. Let's get right into it. Tether Gold is now live on TON as XAUT0. In a joint effort by Tether, TON Foundation, USDT0 and TOP, tokenized gold has arrived on the TON blockchain. XAUT0 brings physical gold fully back one-to-one and securely stored in Swiss vaults into the world of fast, borderless finance. This marks a new era where the timeless value of gold meets the speed, accessibility, and freedom of TON. XAUT0 offers a stable, inflation-resistant asset with 24/7 access, deep liquidity, and on-chain utility. You can start trading now on Wallet and STON.fi to unlock a new class of digital investment powered by gold built for the future. Stay tuned for further news on XAUT0 on TON. Next up, USDe is now available on all major TON Non-custodial Wallets with up to 18% APY. Remember Ethena's big announcement at Token 2049 Dubai? Their integration with TON is officially live, bringing simple savings technology to Telegram's 1 billion users. You can now access USDe and TON stake TSUSDe in popular non-custodial wallets. TON Space, MyTonWallet, Tonkeeper, and Tonhub. You can also get USDe directly from major exchanges or via the Stargate bridge. Additionally, TSUSDe holders can earn up to 18% APY, including 8% from Ethena and an additional 10% boost in Toncoin. With USDe live across TON, savings in dollars is now as easy as sending a Telegram message. Check out the blog and unlock APY from TON's dollar peg asset today. For more insights, check out the blog. That's all for today on TON News. More updates coming soon. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the TON ecosystem.